Anyone can make a better burger than McDonald's. Your uncle with a backyard grill, a food truck in a parking lot, a chef with salt, butter, and common sense. So if better food wins, why isn't your burger business worth billions? Because McDonald's is not in the burger business. McDonald's is in the systems business. It wins because it sells a predictable burger in thousands of places with insane consistency at massive scale. At the end of 2024, McDonald's had over 43,000 restaurants in 114 countries. 95% were franchised. McDonald's doesn't cook the burgers. It builds the system other people pay to operate. To sell billions of burgers, you need more than taste. Supply chains, training systems, speed, drive-through operations, location strategy, loyalty, franchise. Hispanic McDonald's reported over 139 billions in global system-wide sales. That's not just burgers, that's a machine. Here's the good news. You do not need to beat McDonald's globally. You only need to win locally. One great offer, one strong location, one repeatable customer journey. One system that turns strangers into regulars. That's all it takes to build a real business. That's $15 per order. 300 orders a day, that's $4,500 a day. Run that 360 days a year, you're looking at 1.62 million in annual sales from one location. 2 or 3 strong units, plus catering and delivery, that's change your family sheet money.
This is where AI changes the game. A local burger brand can now use AI to punch way above its weight. Answer customers instantly. Turn missed calls into orders. Text lunch specials. Build loyalty campaigns. AI won't cook the burger, but it will sell it.
So yes, you can make a better burger than McDonald's. But that was never the question. The question is, can you build a better system? Better burger, better story, better follow-up, better system. That's the play.